Hiya, I'm out of backpacker and I'm still in Puerto Escondido. Hi, I'm Stu, and if you're new to the channel, this is my year-long backpacking adventure around the world. And every now and again, when you go city, it's nice just to come to a beach, chill, relax, don't do anything. Just remember why you're going backpacking. And when you've got a beach like this, it's perfect. So for the next 5 or 6 days that we're here for, we're planning on chilling and shopping. Because we are staying in a hostel for 5 days, 4 nights, we've decided that we're going to start doing some cooking instead of spending money on outside food, because it'll save us money in the end. So we found a supermarket, and I'm going to show you what a Mexican supermarket looks like. Puerto Escondido, it's a very small beach town. It's got a lot of backpacking hostels here, and the one that we're staying in at the moment is the cheapest around. So Mexico does not have a national rail service for passengers. So every city, every town is linked by bus. So today, knowing that tomorrow I've got to leave to go to our next place, it's time to go to the bus station and buy a ticket. So here's the bus station. For a small coastal town, it's only a small one. So would I recommend Puerto Escondido a place for backpackers to go to? If you're on a tight budget and you're traveling for a few weeks, couple of months, then I would say no. The town itself is really, really nice. It's quiet, it's got a Mexican feel about it, but when you consider the cost of transport over here, and this is on the west coast, and people are usually traveling down south towards the east coast, then this is out of the way and expensive to get to and travel back to wherever you were going to go. I've enjoyed myself here. It has been a relaxing time getting away from the cities, but I feel that I've wasted a lot of money that could be used for other places to extend my stay. But apart from that, if you have got the time, if you have got the money, then come along. But if you like this video, press like. If you want to subscribe, press subscribe, and if you want to see when the next video will be, just press that bell in the corner. But until then, see you next time.